Engine cranks but won't start? Don't overlook the obvious. Fuel. Fuel gauges can lie if the sending unit fails. Add a gallon or two and try again. Listen for a faint hum from the fuel pump when you turn the key. No hum could mean no fuel or a bad pump. Tag a friend who always runs on empty. Got gas but no start and no hum from the fuel tank? Your fuel pump may be dead. Try tapping the bottom of the tank while someone turns the key. Sometimes it'll run just long enough to get you moving. If this works, replace the pump ASAP. Fuel pumps often fail suddenly, especially on older cars, like if this trick saved your day. Sometimes a tiny blown fuse is all that's stopping your car. Check your fuse boxes under the hood and near the steering wheel for fuses labeled starter, ignition, ECU, or fuel pump. Replace any blown fuse with one of the same amperage, never higher. A 5-cent fuse could save you a tow. Subscribe for our deep dive on car fuses. Good battery, fuel, and starter, but a flashing key or padlock light? Your anti-theft system may be blocking the start. Try your spare key or hold the fob close to the start button. If the light stays on, the immobilizer may need dealer attention. Share your anti-theft headaches in the comments. There you have it, the top 8 reasons your car won't start and how to fix them. Remember, check battery, cables, starter, ignition switch, fuel pump, fuses, and anti-theft. Most no-starts come down to these basics. Save time, money, and stress by troubleshooting yourself. Like, share, and subscribe for more car-saving tips. Tell us in the comments, which fix got you back on the road?